You're very interested in creating a YALSA Academy video, but you're not quite sure how to get started. You're wondering, what's the best topic to cover? How do you plan out the video you're going to create? What steps do you need to take before you even start recording? This how-to video for YALSA Academy is going to help you answer those questions. One thing you'll want to do is say to yourself, what did I wish I knew when I first got started as a teen services librarian? What were those things that I had questions about? Those are topics you might want to think about for a YALSA Academy video. Then you can take a look at that list of items that you wish you had known about when you first got started as a teen librarian and ask yourself, are there topics here that other teen services people ask me for help on? Do I get questions on programming or collection development or ebooks? And are those topics that I have expertise in? That might be perfect for a YALSA Academy video. When you have one or more topics in mind, you're also going to want to ask yourself, what will make a good visual and audio production? What can I talk about that I know I would have some visuals I could add and that I could actually have some interesting audio, some interesting things to tell people in one of the videos that I might create? Another thing you can do is ask your colleagues, what would they be interested in seeing a YALSA Academy video on? Or what do they think other teen services librarians would be interested in seeing a YALSA Academy video on? Let them know the topics you're thinking about and get some feedback from those with whom you work. Once you've decided on the topic for your video, you'll want to start organizing your ideas. And one way to do that is with a storyboard where you plot out the images you'll use and the text and audio you will incorporate into your video. You can definitely use your hand, print, paper, pen, pencil to create a storyboard, but you can also use a web-based program like Creately, which has a storyboard template, or you could even use PowerPoint or Word, depending on your interest and skills, to create the storyboard for your YALSA Academy video. Another thing you're going to need to think about when it comes to creating your video is whether or not you need to write out a full script. You want to write down every single thing that will be said in the video, or do you want to just have an outline? Depending on your abilities, your skills, your knowledge, your interests, one or the other will work, and sometimes in a video you'll do a full script, sometimes you'll just have an outline, and sometimes you might not need either, but you will want to think about those kinds of things as you plan. Now also, this is a time when you can call on your colleagues again. Do you need help in creating your video? Do you need actors or actresses? Do you need people to narrate? Do you need people to help you write the text or create some visuals? Your colleagues could be really helpful to you, so talk to them about what you need and think about how they can help. You don't have to feel like you're all alone as you get started planning for your YALSA Academy video production. You'll want to go to YALSA Academy on YouTube and get inspiration from others and see what they have created for the Academy. You'll see that some have used Extra Normal, others have used Animoto, some have used Apple's iMovie software, and others have used Windows Movie Maker software. There are lots of options.